Hi, it's Brianne Johnson. Thank you so much for this opportunity to make you this quick video on how to build a website and why a website would really benefit your business overall and lead to more sales. So we are looking at carpet cleaning Corona. I went ahead and pulled up the Google search to show where you would pop up if somebody was searching for you. And the first thing that we want to look at is right here. This is the map pack. This is where you want to show up, one of these first three spots, because this is where pretty much everybody looks for their information. They have click to call buttons when you're on your phone. They show you where you are on the map. They have the reviews, when you're open, all that good stuff. And you can pay for ads up here, but I have my ad blockers on so I don't see them. Some people have been burned by ads in the past, but this is the best place to be when people are searching for you. I went ahead and looked at the map pack to see where you guys are, and you're on the third page. You're right up here in the middle. Not so bad, but definitely want to be higher up, because chances are people aren't going to skip to the third page to find somebody when they could have already found somebody in those first 20 people on the first 2 pages, if that makes sense. They may get to you if they're busy or you happen to pop up or something like that, but chances are they're not going to scroll to the third page to find you guys. So we definitely want to improve that. And then the other thing is that when you have an organic site, you would show up down here. So this is just double visibility. You want to be seen down here for your website, and then you also want to be seen up here. That way there's double the chance that a customer will click on you and choose you over all of your competitors. I clicked on one of your competitors to kind of see what their website looks like and see what we're competing with. Their website is pretty basic. It doesn't have a whole lot of content. Content is king in Google's eyes, so that's definitely something you want to focus on when you build your site. You want 3,000 words or more on the home page alone, and then 1,500 words or more on any back pages you have. Content can be all of these words, it can be the labels, it can be the pictures and what the pictures are saved as, so you want to make sure all of your pictures are saved as keywords that you could rank for on Google. And then you want to focus on your citations, which is anywhere that your business is listed in a directory. Yelp, Facebook, carpet cleaning related directories, all that good stuff. And then lastly, we also want to look at backlinks. And this cool little tool right here kind of shows me how they're doing on backlinks. They have 464 backlinks. Not so bad, but honestly, this is really good news for us because these two numbers are out of 100. That means that they're not going to be too difficult to beat if you go ahead and take the steps to improve your citations and your backlinks. Backlinks are basically any time that another website links to yours. You want those links to be carpet cleaning related, maybe cleaning service related, anything like that that could raise the integrity of your site. Because if you link to a Jack-in-the-Box or a sewing site or something like that, that's not going to be as valuable in Google's eyes, and they're not going to really understand why you're linking over to that. So if you get those backlinks, especially from a powerful site, that will help your popularity go up and help your numbers go up overall so you can rank higher than your competitors. Why this is important is because you don't have a website right now. And these people, even though their website isn't that great, they're getting about 2.5 thousand organic traffic to their site. And this isn't exact. A Google Analytics search that they have on their end would do a better job explaining, but this kind of gives us an idea of where to start, and these numbers are fairly accurate, so it's a good place to start when kind of getting an idea of what your website would look like. And they're getting 2.5 thousand or so organic traffic to their site. That means 2.5 thousand customers coming to their site alone instead of all of the unexclusive leads that you're getting through Home Advisor. You could spend less money on a website and get buyer intent leads that are yours and yours alone. That way you wouldn't have to share, you don't have to fight for them, any of that stuff that Home Advisor does. So overall, those are just kind of 3 things that you want to include in your website when you build it. If you are interested or have any questions, please go ahead and give me a call, shoot me an email, any of that stuff, and I am happy to help you. I am super excited to speak with you and get a little bit of feedback from you. Thank you so much and have a great day.